I hadn't seen a dentist in 10 years because I had a friend who died in the dentist chair. So when I lost my dentist, I couldn't go back. What I was going through in this photo was I was probably at the lowest point in my life. I was recovering from bacterial spinal meningitis. I had had a tooth fall out. I had a couple teeth that were loose, and my teeth had started to shift. So I felt a sense of urgency that, okay, now I'm visually impacted. I must drag myself into the dentist.
Sandra came to us, and when I first met her, she had a lot of medical issues going on and a lot of root canals, and multiple of those root canals had failed and were reinfected. We considered all the options of removing the bad root canals, and once she and I just really hashed out all the details of the pros and cons of what she could go through, there was really only one solution, and that's just to remove the upper teeth, start over, and to use dental implants.
His customer service is exquisite. His style is exquisite. As I sat in his chair, every part of my body is shaking. So he went slow. He told me everything he was doing prior to. They were extremely patient with me. I'm sure they're on a time limit. They didn't put me on a time limit. So it wasn't just the what, it was the how. It's how he made me feel. Made me feel safe.
We brought Sandra in under general anesthesia, and we removed her upper teeth, and through the use of guided dental surgery, we were able to take her teeth out and put the implants in a very, very specific location. We had the teeth made before she even showed up, so we were able to attach the new teeth to the implants the same day while she was under sedation. When she woke up from her general anesthesia, her teeth were already in place, and they were beautiful.
For the person out there who is putting off taking care of your teeth because you're afraid, I can tell you there's probably not anybody in this world that was more afraid than I was. I was morbidly afraid of coming here. And I got to tell you, you got to come here. And I can't explain it to you, but when you get here, you'll know it. You'll know you're okay. Every now and then you would meet somebody very special. Dr. Tabor is one of those people. And I want to say thank you to him from the bottom of my heart for giving me a smile back.